So today I'm going to Okay. So today I'm going to discuss about accrual orders in CO model. Accrual orders in CO means we know that every month ending we maintain the provisions in the FI, right? Salary provision, rent provision. Why? This month's salaries we can pay the next month. So in the same way, bonus is also there. So bonus actually that is irregular expenditure, right? Okay, salaries, wages, rent, these are the monthly basis. So they can maintain the every month ending provisions, right? And your CO is also updating every month ending. So your CO model is also accurate, means whenever month ending provisions you are maintaining the FI. Okay, so it is updating CO. So at the time of salary provision, salary is data, salary is going to debit. That time I will give the cost center, right? So when I give the salary account debit, outstanding is credit. When I'm giving the salary account debit, I'll give the cost center here. So every time, whenever you maintain the salary provision, rent provision, whatever it is updating your CO model. So CO model actually every month ending we have to evaluate the product cost in the CO. Remember, every month ending we have to evaluate the cost. So even though you are not going to pay salaries, wages, rent in the FI, you are maintaining the provisions so that FI is updating and simultaneously the CO is also updating. Yes. So that what happened? Your CO valuation is right. But here there are some irregular expenditure like bonus. Okay, like bonus is why once in a year we can pay this, right? Gratuity. So these are some irregular expenditure we pay once in a year. If you take bonus, 21 physical year, bonus will pay in the 22 physical year beginning, whatever. Okay, whenever you pay, just pay them. But here, what happened actually in the I'm talking about some organization. Some organization from April to February, they don't maintain the provision for the bonus. April to February. When they will maintain? So March first month they will maintain the provision for the entire 12 months. Entire 12 months, March first week they will maintain. So what happen if they maintain like that? Vishwanath?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me.
Hello.
Yes. You're on traveling?
Yeah, I'm going to bus stand.
Yeah. Okay. Just listen the class.
Okay.
You know, I'm asking, they maintain the provision only March month. Means for the entire 11 months provision, they are maintaining the March month. So what happens if they maintain like that?
After year end, we can get April month bonus, madam, every employee. Automatic, it will entry, madam.
Automatic entry, no. Suppose they're not maintaining like salaries, wages, like that. They are not maintaining the provision for the bonus. Remember, so that entire 11 months provision they are maintaining at the end of the March. So from April to March, your expenditure is less, right? Is it?
Yes,
so
madam.
The profit is more.
Yes,
And when in the month of March, expenditure is more, profit is less. This is accurate? No. Okay. Forget about the FI part because they prepare the financial statement once in a year. Okay, so forget about the FI part. Whatever they want to let them. But when your CO model, okay, look at the CO model. So whatever the expenditure you are incurred every month ending, whether it is salaries, wages, rent, bonus, even though you are paying once in a year, that should be calculated on monthly basis. That should be update to your CO model because every month ending you have to evaluate the product cost. If the bonus, irregular expenditure, gratuity, if the FI person is not updating FI means your CO is not updating, right? That bonus, irregular expenditure. So your CO, in your CO, product valuation is not accurate. Is it right or not? So even though the FI people, they don't maintain the provision. They maintain the provision for regular expenditure. I am talking about the irregular expenditure. I am talking about who not maintain the provision for irregular expenditure. Yes, of course, some organization they maintain the provision for irregular also. I am talking about the organization which don't maintain the provision for irregular expenditure. In this case, we use accrual orders. How you know? So actually, suppose I'm taking the bonus. Bonus will be paid on salary basis, right? So whenever the FI person, okay, suppose I'm telling the scenario. Suppose if every month ending bonus also maintaining provision to FI person, bonus is going to debit, outstanding is credit. So at the time of bonus account, I'll give cost center a debit. So every month ending, if they maintain, it's not a problem. Like salary maintain, salary provision rate maintain, like that maintain. That is not a problem for us, but they're not maintaining. So in this case, what they will do now? We maintain the accrual orders. By using the accrual orders, even though the CO person, even though the FI person, they don't maintain the provision for salaries, wages, rent. Okay, in the form of accrual orders, we maintain the provisions in the CO. How? Automatically. For this purpose, we have to do maintain some configuration. I will explain the first how is the output, then I will show you the configuration part. Okay. So here, what I do now, in the FI, suppose this is FI part. The salary is paying, who FI person salary is paying 1 lakh rupees. Salary payment, salaries is account debit and cash is credit, whatever, 1 lakh rupees. On the 10 salary, suppose bonus is, okay, 10%. Okay, so 10% will calculate by the system 10,000. So this bonus is belongs to department A. Suppose salaries is belongs to department M, is going to debit at the time of cash payment of salaries. At the same time, whenever he make the salary payment, automatically this bonus will belong to M. Okay, so 10% of this 1 lakh rupees, 10,000 is calculated by the system, and department M is also debited with that 10,000 rupees automatically. Okay, so April month ending, what I'll do? So here I am showing only bonus, not only bonus. Every month ending, it is debited with so many. This salaries also it is debited. So whenever the FI person pay the salaries 1 lakh, it is also debited. I'm just showing the bonus amount. Salaries, wages, rent, whatever the expenditure FI person posted, department M is debited, and also bonus is also debited 10,000. So next month ending, what I do, whatever the department M occurred the cost, I have to transfer to the product cost. Every month ending, we have to evaluate the product cost. Okay, this month ending, this is our product cost. Not only department M, like this, from all the departments, the expenditure should be allocated to the production cost. Okay, so every month ending, whenever the FI person salary payment, bonus is automatically calculated and the department is going to debit, and from there I'm going to transfer the production, so my production valuation is correct. So like this, April, May, June, so every month ending, it is like a maintaining provision. Remember, creating the provision. Okay, so from that I'm going to transfer to that. Okay, so I create one dummy department. Okay, one dummy department. I give credit of that. Whenever it is debit, it should be credit. Why I tell you? Every month ending department M is debit and department dummy is going to, it is like a reversal. So year ending, the department M becomes 0, right? So 10,000 debit, and it is going to transfer to the production cost. So every month ending, it becomes 0. There is no balance here. So whenever it is debit for reversal purpose, I have to give the credit of one dummy department. So like that, every month ending, it is getting credit, credit, credit. So month ending, year ending, sorry, 1,20,000 rupees is the balance. Why I have to give the credit of this? Actually, now coming to year ending. Year ending, what happened? Now the FI people, they didn't maintain the provision for the entire 12 months. So they maintain the provision. Bonus provision is debit entire 12 months. Each month 10,000. For the 12 months, 1,20,000. Bonus is debit, outstanding expense is credit. So they should give one, now they should update the CO model, right? That time they didn't maintain any provision. They didn't maintain any provision. Through approval orders, I updated this 10,000 provision. Now the FI person, whenever they maintain in the actual provision, 1,20,000 is going to debit outstanding. This time they will give debit of dummy department. They don't give department M now. We already given in the form of accrual orders. Again 1,20,000 for the means what? To where you want to transfer? Every month 10,000 I am giving, I am transferring to the production cost. Again you want to give 1,20,000. This year 1,20,000 is already updated. From there I transfer to the production cost. So you want to give this 1,20,000 to the department M? Tell me, is it right?
No, ma'am.
No, right? For this purpose, I created one dummy department. Here I should give one dummy department dummy. So now 1,20,000 is going to debit. Okay, now it is going to debit. So already it was like creating provision, reversal of provision. If I don't reversal, what happen? When they give the 1,20,000, the department show that 1,20,000 double entry, right? So it is like a creating provision. It is like a reversal. At the year ending 1,20,000. Now at the month year ending, whenever they maintain the provision, it is also debited. Now it is also become 0. Right? There is no balance here. So this was done by the system automatically by maintaining the accrual orders. So again, I'm telling in brief, salaries payment, automatically system will calculate bonus 10%, 5%, whatever. So it is updating 10,000. Yes, from here I will transfer to the production cost. Yes, my production valuation is accurate. It is like a creating provision. It is like a reversal of provision. There is one debit and there is one credit. Then if I mean, so whenever the FI person maintaining the year ending provision for the entire 12 months, 10,000 into 12, 1,20,000, they have to give the update, they have to update the cost center, obviously. So this time they don't give the department in the form of accrual orders I maintained already. So now they'll give the department me. So this is debited. Already it is having credit balance for the entire 12 months. Now when I give debit, this is also become 0. Any questions here?
Ma'am, I have one question.
Yeah, tell me.
Actually, generally, bonus will be paid once in a year, right?
Yes, that's what I'm telling.
Yeah, but generally they will give 1 month salary like that.
Yeah, this is 1 month salary only. Every month salary. 1 lakh salary.
Okay.
This is 1 month salary is 1 lakh. 10% of bonus 10,000.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm paying every month ending 1 lakh salary. So April 10,000. Whenever they pay next month May 1 lakh again 10%. May also 10,000. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So for this purpose, let us create the. Now let us do the configuration part. Okay. So let me create one bonus GL account with the 4,105,000. there I have to give the cost element category 3, that is accrued nature. This bonus is accrued nature, right? So we have to give the cost element category as 3. So let me create FS00. I'm going to copy from the salary account, okay? Company code. So here also we maintain Z04, okay? Z04, save it. Yes, we have to create the primary cost element, right? So primary cost element, cost element category, accrued nature. Okay, 3 means accrued nature, save it, yeah. So first I create this, okay? Then we have to create one dummy cost center, KS01, one dummy cost center, where KS01, department dummy, enter. Just give any person name, element category. You can give any cost element category. This is for reversal purpose we are creating. Anything you can give, just give as a production, hierarchy, and company code N16, currency. Who started SIBO model? Who started SIBO? No one started.
I started, I completed, sir, madam.
Huh?
I completed all, madam.
Very good, very good. Okay, so I created one dummy cost center. I created one, what is that? Bonus expenditure. Now let me create the overhead structure. This is nothing but approval orders. By doing this configuration here, what I do, I'll assign the dummy cost center. I'll assign the, what is this? Bonus expenditure, salary, and how much bonus on salary, say 10%, everything I have to assign here. Then only system can able to update this everything, whatever I show you now. So whatever I show can able to do this everything automatically, means I have to run, I have to create this approval orders, I have to run this approval orders every month ending. Okay, first let me create from SPRO. I close this. I'm going to SPRO. accrual, controlling cost element approval, percentage method, maintain overhead structure. Create one order structure. Okay, I'm creating one overhead structure. Yeah, this is the calculation base. Based on this, here you have to give the on which amount you are going to calculate the bonus, which is salary, how much. After calculating the bonus, to which object you want to give the credit, everything I have to specify. Based on this calculation, system will perform the accrual. Okay, just give any row name. Here I'll create N161. Next, by using this N161, I will assign the salaries GL account. I am just creating here one variant, N161. Here first row I'm giving salaries. Okay, just this is the row you can use 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm giving 10. By using this, next I can do the some configuration. This is the variant I'm giving. First will be the salary. Enter, create. Yes, I created N161. Next, 20. Bonus is the overhead, right here. Let me create one N162. Next step, by using N162, I will assign the 10% salaries. Okay, so what is this? Write the description. This is the bonus. So this 10% I will assign in the next step. That 10% will be calculated on salaries, right? 10 to 10. Right? So I'm creating one variant N162 because that is the overhead. I'm just given the description. This will be calculated on the salaries 10 to 10. Then after calculating this bonus, so we have to give the credit, right? We have to give credit of what? Dummy department. For this purpose, I will create one variant. Okay, only 3 digits. N13 I'll create. I'll do one thing. Okay, let it be like this. N13, only 3 digits. By using this N13, next step I will assign the dummy department. N161, N162, N16, N13 only. Remember this. Okay, enter. Enter. So here it is asking dependency. Where? Controlling area. KRS1 means controlling area. Okay, where we are doing this at controlling area level. Okay, create. Okay, N161, N162, N13. I told the system bonus will be calculated on salaries. How? 10 to 10. After calculating bonus, you want to give the for reversal purpose dummy department, right? For this purpose, I created credit means dummy department should be credit. Here I am maintaining one variant N13. Next step, by using these, I will assign all the salaries, bonus 10%. By using N13, I will assign the dummy department. Okay, first let me save. Now it is asking we have to assign this to the controlling area. Assignments, actuals, because I want to run this for actual purpose, not for planning detail. I want to run for actual. I told you, CO model we maintain for planning or actual, but this I am maintaining for the actual also. Okay, actual. Valid from, right, valid up to March 21 fiscal. What is your overall structure? N16. Here I assign this overhead structure to the controlling area. That's it. Save it. Next, environment basis. Here N16, or else just go for position N161, right? By taking that N161, okay, double click, I have to assign salaries GL account. Okay, save it. Again, environment, overhead rates, N162. N162. Enter here. Bonus here. Valid from, valid up to, right? How much you want to give? 10%.
2021, ma'am, valid from you have given 2012.
No. This is our physical year.
No, here valid from year you have given 2012.
Okay. Okay. So here, give a second, right? Okay, here. N162. Okay. So valid from, okay. Valid up to how much? 10%. And the bonus, okay, I have given this. Okay, save it. Next, environment, credit. Credit I created with the N13, right? N13. Bonus. Here, company code, valid up to. Okay. What is the bonus GL account? And what is the cost center we want to give credit? Dummy. Okay. So here by using N13, I assign the bonus GL account and dummy department. Okay, save it. Yes. So this is the way we can create the overhead structure. Next, yes, to run this accrual orders, I told you, every month ending, like we run the APP program, dunning procedure, we have to run the accrual orders also. Okay, to run this accrual orders, we have to activate this KSZI process, KSZI, like coin process, RKP1, RKP3. So we have to assign this KSZI also. Okay, so let me here we assign now this one KANKT code. That is about KANK, maintain number range for controlling documents. What is that? N16. This is our 1 to 1 lakh. Here, some of them I assigned, but KAZN. Quasi process. Activate, edit, assign element group. Yes, that is assigned here. Save. If I don't activate this, I can't run this accrual orders. Okay, fine. Now, yes, we can perform this. Okay. Before that, salary should be there in the department tab. To run this accrual orders, there should be some 1 lakh rupees salary should be debit to the cost center M. Then after that, I have to run the accrual orders. Then only system will calculate 10% on 1 lakh, 10,000 will be debit. So before that, without salaries, how I can run the accrual orders, right? So what I do, I want to run this accrual orders for the department. And so KSB1, I'll go to report cost. Let me check the salaries, anything is there. Department and what I do, actually, I will take the, okay, January 1st. January 1st, 22 to 31st, 22. Okay, this is our 10th period. 10th period. Let's see the department and any data is there. Only I'm checking for the January period. I think no data has been posted for the month of January. Okay, so see, based on your selection criteria, it will display. Suppose if I give December 1st means. Show the December to January month end. December data also it will show. But I am showing only for January. I didn't post anything yet, right? Came into 22. Okay, no data is there for the department tab. Okay, what I do first, let me post some salaries from F dash 02. Salaries is going to debit. Department tab. Okay. Then 50 cash. So now FI person is paying salaries 1 lakh rupees to department tab. Cash is going to credit. Save it. Okay. Let us go for KSB1. Let's see the KSB1. Department M is debited with 1 lakh rupees. Okay. Yes, fine. Now, January month ending. Okay, I mean 10th period. Like, okay, month ending of January. So according to our fiscal year, this is our 10th period, right? So January month ending, the CO person, he has to run this accrual orders. Remember, once the salaries is done by the FI person, like salaries, I am showing the salary example. It may be anything. So once you done the payment from the FI, so the CO person, he has to run this accrual orders, means he has to maintain the provisions, like we are maintaining the provision for salaries every month ending. No, if he runs this accrual orders month ending, then only system can maintain the provision automatically. So where he can run this, no, KSAZ, KSA3, sorry, KSA3, KSA3. A3. Okay, so department M, which period? Okay, I want to run this not for testing. Execute. Just ignore the message. This is not error message. Remember, just ignore. Again, execute. Okay. Let's see this in the cost center report. Yes, B1. Department M. Execute. It is debited 10,000, right? Automatically it is debited. So from here I can transfer to where? Production order. So every month ending I can transfer to production order. For reversal purpose, department dummy is credited automatically. There is debit, here it is credit. There is debit, here is credit. It is like creating provision in the department M. It is like reversal of provision. Month ending, sorry, year ending, it will show the credit of 1,20,000 rupees. Then that time, the FI person maintain the 12 months provision. Not that time he will give debit this. This is also become 0. Is it?
Okay, yes, madam.
Understood? This is very interesting topic actually, right? But you have to think more. It is not like FI part. It's not like FI. So in FI, what we do, there is some standard account, debit, credit, but it's not like that. There should be logic. Okay. So this is about accrual orders. And next topic tomorrow I'll discuss, that is assessment process. That is also 45 minutes topic. And tomorrow I'll discuss assessment. If I tell that, you'll get confused. Okay.
Okay,
So,
madam.
tomorrow we'll discuss the assessment process. 1 second, I'll give the planning. Tomorrow I'll tell you assessment, then internal orders 5, 6, 6. I will finish the internal order. One more with that cost center, cost element is over. COPA is there. In CO, COPA is also one submodule that I can't discuss right now. Because to discuss with the COPA, we have to work on the MMSD integration. Okay. After teaching MMSD integration, I have to teach the COPA, which is the part of CO itself. That will take, okay. So Monday I can start hopefully MMSD integration. So when I start the MMSD integration, I will take 1 hour 15 minutes for MMSD. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Okay, I mean, mostly we will finish our course this January 15th. I'll finish everything, but real-time scenarios, it will be there. I'll take care of that. Okay. So normal course is going to finish 15th. Then I'll discuss the real-time scenarios. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you,
ma'am.
madam.